So hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the composition of blood. So blood mainly composed of three types of cells: the red blood cells, the white blood cells, and the platelets. So the fluid portion of the blood is also known as plasma. Now all the dissolved substance like all types of blood cells as well as waste material flow through this plasma. The presence of hemoglobin makes the blood red in color. So this is blood. Now we'll discuss about composition of blood one by one. So first is our red blood cells. Now red blood cells are present in large quantity in plasma. So that is why our blood looks red in color. Now why they are red? They are red because the presence of hemoglobin makes the blood red in color. Now they can easily bind with gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. So oxygen and carbon dioxide bind with hemoglobin and they flow inside the plasma along with hemoglobin. Okay, and this hemoglobin takes the oxygen to different cells in our body. So this is red blood cells. Next is our white blood cells. Now white blood cells are present in lesser amount as compared to red blood cells, but they are large in number than red blood cells. Sorry, they are they are bigger in number than red blood cells. Now white blood cells protect us from germs and different diseases, and they are present in lesser amount in our body. So this is white blood cells. This is our blood platelets. So they are tiny fragments that are present in the plasma. Now when the blood vessels get damaged, they flow out of the body. So the body cannot afford the loss of blood. So the platelets, they wound and form clots and they seal the wounds. Now platelets play a very important role in clotting the bloods. So this is platelets. Next we are going to discuss about lymphatic system of the human body. So hello students, next our topic is lymphatic system of human body. Now lymphatic system of human body consists of lymph vessels and lymph nodes. So when the blood flow through the capillaries, some of the plasma or some of the fluid ooze out, means they go out of the capillaries and they flow through the lymph vessels. They are again drained back to the circulatory system. Now while they are moving back to the circulatory system, they pass through lymph nodes. Now these lymph nodes contains special type of cells. These cells protect our body from harmful diseases causing organisms. Okay, so and harmful substance. So this is lymph nodes. Sorry, this is lymphatic system. So hello students, now we are going to discuss about the excretory system in human being. Now excretory system, before discussing that, we should know what is excretion. Now what is excretion? So excretion is a process by which we remove the waste product from the blood from our body. Now what waste product? So beside carbon dioxide that are produced by the cell in our body, carbon dioxide is also a waste product. So beside carbon dioxide, there are some other waste materials that are present in our body, and this should be thrown out of the body. Now this our excretory system consists of two kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Now they do the complete work. So how they work, you see. So when the blood through arteries flow through the kidney contains very tiny tubules known as nephrons. Now these nephrons, when the blood flows through this nephron, they filters out the waste material, and the end product that we get at the last is urine. Now this urine contains waters and waste material. Now what waste material are present? The waste material are urea, uric acid and ammonia. These are the waste material that are present. Now the urine through kidney, it passes through the ureters. These are two tubes present, and they get end at the urinary bladder. Now, urinary bladder is a short storage of urine. Now, they are drained out from our body through urethra. So, this is our complete excretory system. So, we have discussed about excretory system. So, next topic is our transportation in plants. So, hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the transportation of substance in plants. Now, transportation of substance in plants is known as vascular system. There are basically two tubes that are present in the plants, that is known as xylem and phloem. Now, they are attached in a bundle, and this bundle is known as vascular bundles. Now, they form entire network in the plant. In the leaf, these vascular bundles in the leaves are known as veins. Okay. Now, there are different minerals present in the soil that are required for the plants. So, different minerals such as calcium, iron, phosphorus, potassium, these are present in the soil. Now, this has to be absorbed by the roots. So, roots contains hairs, and these minerals appears as salt, dissolved salt in the soil. Now, the tiny roots absorb the water as well as these minerals from the roots. Okay. Now, they absorb and they pull to the center of the roots. Now, from here, the xylem carries these dissolved minerals and waters to the leaves and different parts of the plants. Now, from here, these salts and water are used to make food by the leaves by the process known as photosynthesis. Now, the 90% of the water are released by the plants through tiny pores present in the leaves that are known as stomata, and through stomata these water are released by the plant. Now, this process of releasing water through stomata is known as transpiration. Okay, so they release 90% of the water through transpiration. Now, the food are made by the plants through photosynthesis, and through photosynthesis the phloem that are present in the plants, they sends the food that are made by the plants to the different parts of the body by the process that is known as translocation. Now, ascent of shape is a process by which the plants pulls the water and minerals through the xylem tube.